Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your front strut on Ford Fiesta. The reason why I'm changing it is because the strut is done. As you can see, it's like bouncing up and down. And that's not good. So I'm going to change it. Alright. And I'm going to try and show you how it bounces. Car not supposed to do that. If you do that, that means the strut is no good. So I'm going to change the strut. Alright, so I'm going to make a video of the left side, but it's basically the same thing for the right. No, this is the right side and this is the left side. I'm gonna make a video for the right side, and it's the same thing for the left side. And the only difference is you just have to remove the brake reservoir, which is gonna be these 10mm. One right there, one right there. I have to change both of my front strut because the way the car bounces, and I'm just gonna do a video of one because it's basically the same thing. This might be the only difference. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, so on the left side you're gonna have this take out with a 10mm. And just get this removed. Remove these two 10mm right here. No, it's not a lot of space to work with to get the other bolt, but remove both of them, alright? Alright, so now I remove this. Just kind of rack it up. Get it out the way. Be careful, do not use too much force because this right here is not rubber. So it's plastic and you don't want to break that. Alright? So let's get it out of the way just enough so you can work underneath it. So those are the three nuts that hold the strut. Alright, so it's basically the same thing for both sides. I'm gonna get to the other side now, show you it's the same thing. See right there, it's the same thing. Alright, got 1, 2 over there, right here, and 3 in the back over there. So I'm gonna remove the front struts in this car and I'm gonna show you, so stay with me. So what I'm gonna do is remove the tire. It's gonna be 19mm. So when you remove the tires, this is going to give you access to this right here. So you're going to need to remove everything that's touching the strut. You need to remove the brake line or hose, the speed sensor cable right here, and the sway bar link right here. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do first. Alright, so to remove the sway bar link is gonna be 15mm. So I know this is spinning, so I'm gonna get a pliers to hold it. So I'm gonna get a pliers to hold the back. When I take it off, I'm gonna show you what I hold. Alright. So this is what I hold right here, not the rubber. You don't want to hold the rubber, you want to hold this metal piece right here. Alright, so that's done. This right here, you just take that out. You want to get a clip puller or flathead screwdriver and take that out. Alright, so I got a flathead screwdriver. I think it's better to get it with a, so I got it with a flathead screwdriver, but it would be much easier if you have a clip puller. In my case I do, but I didn't go get it. Now it's time to remove the brake hose right here. So I'm going to take off this right here. And it is 10 millimeter. You don't see it, so I'm going to show you right here. It's 10 millimeter. So I'll take that out. Now you want to make sure everything is clear from the strut, and I'm going to loosen up these now. Alright. So what am I going to loosen now is these two right here. It's going to be 18 millimeter right here and 15 millimeter right here. All right, in case when I'm taking this off, if it spin, I got to put like something in there to hold it. So I'll put a 15 millimeter to hold it. So this is a perfect case of what I'm talking about. So if you see, spin, and one side down, damn, when everything up. So one side spin, and the top one to come loose, but the bottom one spin. So I'm gonna use a 15 millimeter to hold right here, and then loosen it. So that's good right there. So I'm gonna knock it out. So that's good right there. I'm gonna get a bungee cord and try to alright, it's good. I'm not gonna use one bungee cord because it's not straining anything, and it seems to be staying good. So what I'm gonna do is lower the car so I can remove those three nuts on the top. Make sure everything is clear from the strut, nothing is touching the strut, so that's good. I'm gonna lower the car down and get these up here. So all three of them gonna be 13 millimeter. Take this off. so this is the last screw that's holding the strut. So you want to kind of loose this and hold the strut at the same time. Alright, that's what I'm going to do. We're going to loose it and hold it up. Clear this out of the way, come down and out with the strut. Alright, and that's how you remove the strut. Alright, I got a used strut from the junkyard, so I'm gonna put a used strut in it, not a brand new one. Alright. Alright, so this is the new strut. It seems to be in good condition, so but I won't really know until I put it up before I can really tell, because to test the strut you would have to disconnect the take off the spring and push it down, and if you can do it freely then you know it's no good. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put it up and see where we go from there. So I'm going to go ahead and take these off. Alright. Alright, so I'm done with that. So now I'm going to go ahead and put back the strut up. So that's what I do, catch the nut. So now I'm gonna tighten them up. Alright, so those are tight, and it's time to catch this back down here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so get this. Alright, so want to get this line up. I'll go on right. Turn this right here. I must read somewhere. Alright, so that's what I got so far. I catch them in. Get on these 18mm. Go ahead and tighten them up. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the brake hose. Alright, so put this back in here. Put this back in here. and clip this up right here. Tighten that up, and now it's time to tighten the sway bar link. Same way how you take it off or you hold it back, same way you gotta tighten it up. Alright, so now everything is tight. You want to go ahead and double check your work, because after this is to put on the tire, and I recommend getting alignment so you don't damage your tire after this work. Alright, so double check your work. Everything is nice and tight. Alright, so I have my tires on, as you can see. Thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up. Help me help you. See you next time.